Morning. It's the morning of Maker Central, Friday. I'm just about to get myself organised. It's a really weird kind of backloaded day, this one, because we can't, we've got an arrival time of 6 p.m. So I'm not going to leave until after lunch. I'm kind of, itching to get started now, really. But there we are. It is what it is. So I'm going to head up after lunch and check into the hotel about 5ish. Drop my bags off and then go over to NEC where we can get the stand set up, and hopefully I'll meet Andy either at the hotel or along the way. Okay, well, that's me all loaded up. Yeah. Just about ready to go. Next stop. Oh no, next stop won't be Birmingham. I'll stop along the way, but yeah, on my way to Maker Central. Woo! So about halfway there, I'll stop just to give me and the van a bit of a breather. Still about an hour, 50 minutes or so to go. So I don't want to hang around for too long, but just need a bit of a leg stretch because I haven't done a journey this sort of length for a while either. So we'll give ourselves 10 minutes, me and the motor, and then we'll get back to it. So we have arrived at our destination, apparently. Well, yes, we have. No sign of the Andy Mac wagon yet, so I guess he's on his way. I know he's on his way, but I don't think he's here. So anyway, I'm going to go and get myself sorted. Whoops, sorry, camera. Yeah, so an eventful journey. Yeah, they weren't kidding when they said it was an airport hotel, did they? Okay, so I'm here, 5 o'clock, pretty much bang on the money. We'll see when Andy Mac arrives, and we can get ourselves out to our time slot for unloading. So I think that might be our man Andy just arriving. I'm going to nip downstairs and see if I can catch him as he's getting out of the van, out of the truck. It's a car park. You can't leave commercial vehicles in here. Hey Peter, how you doing? You alright?
Nice to get here.
Good to see you. Good to see you. Coming on this one as well, Andy? Just looking. Hey. End of the working day, talking about this and that.
Oh, so it's a video.
Good stuff. Yeah, it's a video. It's always a video, isn't it? Of course it's a video. It's always a video. So unfortunately, it's only in 1080 because it's an selfie camera. But when we do. Cheers. Solid day.
Ready to go.
Absolutely. So just back, it's 10 to 12, 10 to midnight. We went over to Hilton, which is where the cool kids seem to hang out. The bar was absolutely heaving, absolute bedlam. We had a quick bite to eat, a couple of quick drinks, chatted with a few people, which was really nice, and then came back, and it's, so just before midnight, on a day that started a long time ago. So up at 8 in the morning, across to the NEC for 9, ready for doors open at 10. So a bit of a long old day and a bit of a long old weekend. But it'll all be worth it. Totally. It was really good. The stand's looking really good. And chatted with a few really interesting people tonight. So yeah, it's all great. And I'm really looking forward to meeting everybody tomorrow, and then a podcast to record. All right, I'm going to say goodnight, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Yeah, sure. Yeah. So, end of the show. That was a pretty full-on day. We were at 9. It's 6:30 now, and he's on the floor, packing up. I literally sat down twice for about 20 seconds today, so we're all a bit cream crackered. We're going to go off and try and score some free pizza from the nice people at Vectric, because we haven't eaten all day. I haven't been to Lou all day. Somebody brought us a cup of coffee, which is very nice, and I've had a bottle of water. Other than that, it's been shaking hands and chatting. My voice is definitely croaking, and we've got to record a podcast tonight, so I'm going to call that a day for now, and we'll be back bright and early in the morning. I know! Inspiration was one word, doesn't it? And it makes it all work hard, doesn't it? It does. It's you know, just ordinary people who appreciate what you do. Yeah. It just makes everything work hard. It's incredible. It is. Hardly any crazy. It's incredible, isn't it? Incredible. Yeah, exactly.
The person who organised all this is Steph. And he arranged this on her birthday today. We'll see you all tomorrow.
So this is a top quality mobile recording studio.
Okay.
2 microphones and some lashed together stems. You do what you gotta do, right?
Anywhere, if someone's been queuing for 45 minutes or an hour to talk to you, you can't just wait till someone gets to the front of the queue and say, right, I'm off to the
bathroom, off to the bar, to get a cup of coffee or whatever else. So yeah.
Go and get some lunch, just wait here for another hour and I'll be back. So, and we kind of got our first appreciation of that, and it makes a lot more sense now why, it obviously wouldn't be fair if people have been queuing for a while to chat to us, and it wouldn't really be fair for us to just walk off and...
We thought we might have been able to find a bit of time to sort of tag team. One of us goes to get a bite to eat or a cup of coffee, but actually we just had a queue for each of us all day long. I don't think there was a single moment when there wasn't somebody stood in front of us and waiting to talk to us. So bright and early, just before 9 on Sunday morning. We've been up for a little while. Had a busy old day yesterday. I'm about to head off to Maker Central for the last day, or second day as we call it. Feels like the third day, because Friday was a setup day and everything. But time to head off and see how today goes. So getting towards the end of the show now, everybody's sort of winding down, the crowds are thinning out. There's still a couple of things going on the stages behind me, but pretty much it was about 25 minutes before the doors shut. What a great weekend it's been. Very, very great, very hammering. What a great weekend it's been. Fantastic to meet everybody. It's been an absolute pleasure to put faces to names or to usernames, and fingers crossed we'll be at this event next year. We're not confirmed yet, but hopefully there'll be another one. But that's it from this year's Maker Central. Hope you enjoyed it. We certainly did. I'll see you next time.
Literally not that good.